How to groom your car. Step 1. Rinse. Rinse with a hose or water blaster to get off all the initial road grime and dirt. Make sure to get in all the gaps, especially the grills and door jambs. Step 2. Clean. Take a bucket, fill it with water and pour in some wash and wax. Then use a mitt to go over the whole surface of the car and door jambs. If some areas are a bit tricky, like tree sap or bird dirt, use a moderate sponge, but nothing too abrasive to avoid making clear coat scratches. Step 3. Wheels. Spray up the wheels and tyres with wheel acid. Allow to sit for a few minutes and then go over them with a wheel brush. Once the gaps are clean, go over the front face with a mitt or sponge. Step 4. Rinse again. Rinse off with a hose or water blaster, leaving no soap suds behind. Step 5. Dry. Take off the initial layer of water with a squeegee, and then use a towel to get the whole surface completely dry. Take over a 2-minute dry drive to get the water out of all the gaps, and then tidy them up with a towel. Step 6. Exterior touches. Chances are the windows will be a little smeary, so go over them with some proper window cleaner. Spray into a microfiber and wipe on, then vigorously wipe off with a bone-dry hand towel. Put on some tire shine, and if you feel like going above and beyond, use a polish to make the paintwork smooth and shiny, and use a metal polish to brighten up the exhaust tips. Step 7. Vacuum. Vacuum everything. Seats, mats, under the seats, under the mats, between the seats, in the boot, you get the picture. Step 8. Plastics. Use an interior cleaner and a microfiber, light brush and a toothbrush to clean all the plastics and interior surfaces. Also, if your car has leather seats, use a leather conditioner to keep the seats soft and crack-free. Step 9. Interior windows. Always do the interior windows last so that while you're cleaning other parts of the car, you don't make them dirty again. Step 10. Drive. Drive your nice clean car so that it will become dirty again, and then go back to step 1.
Oh, stop. You annoying cat. Hey, I kind of need to film this, mate. Can you maybe not? Yeah, thanks. Go over there, G. Go over there. Rub up against me.